What's going on, everyone? It's Adam here for the Best Buy Canada blog, and today I'm taking a look at the Republic of Gaming ROG Delta S wireless gaming headset. This is a fairly new headset from Republic of Gaming, one that I think that a lot of people are going to find a lot of features here that they're really going to like. In this review, we'll go over some of the stuff included in the box, what I like about the headset, what maybe I don't like about the headset, and then we'll wrap it up with some final thoughts to see whether this is worth adding to your gaming collection. But let's get into it. Opening this box is a very premium experience. There's going to be a hinge right here on top, and it looks great. You open it up, it says "Welcome to the Elite Republic of Gaming" on the inside, and then you lift that little thing up, and then your headset is just laying there, really nice, with everything else tucked underneath. The headset itself is made of almost entirely plastic, except for here you can see the headband there is made of metal. You're seeing that a lot on headsets now to keep that weight down, but still giving it some flexibility and some durability. You've got the padded headband right here, and you also have the padded ear cups. Now, these do have the benefit of including extra ear cups in the box. So these here are fake leather, a pleather, protein leather ear cup, but there's also these are more of the mesh ones. So maybe if you sweat a whole bunch more, these are going to be very breathable, and they're very nice. The one downside, and here comes the first downside of the headset, is changing these things out is really a pain in the butt. Usually these headsets have a little bit of hard plastic so that they can just kind of clip in and out of where they should go when there's, multiple ear cups included in the box. This one's just like a really light piece of material right there that kind of, the ear cup kind of slides underneath that. It's not great. Changing these out is a pain in the butt. So I would not be going back and forth. I'd be choosing which one you like. The pleather come on the headset when you get it. The breathable mesh ones you'll have to put on yourself. But I prefer the pleather anyway. So I swapped back and forth twice, and it was kind of it wasn't a great experience doing so. Also included in the box is a USB-C right here, charge cable, braided, which is really nice. I love when braided cables are included in the box. They just last longer. And then again, it proves that you're using a premium product. The headset itself is pretty nondescript. There is no RGB lighting. So if you're looking for RGB lighting, you're not going to find that on this headset. Everything's pretty plain Jane. You've got the Elite Republic of Gaming logo right there. You've got the nice little white accent touch on the side of the ear cups. But other than that, it's just a black headset. All the stuff you're going to need, you're going to find right here on the ear cup. You have your charge port. You have either your 2.4 gigahertz or your Bluetooth, whatever you're connecting to. You've got the mode button here. And then, of course, you've got your volume dial, which is not actually a dial. It's more of a spring-loaded. So you press up, you can press down, and you can click it in. Very cool. The mic is just built into the bottom of the headset. There is no boom mic that comes down. It'll pick up your voice, similar to AirPods, things like that. And then the other really cool feature that I think more headsets need is that right here on the headset is the dongle. So if you're not using the dongle because you're using Bluetooth, you can actually store it right in the headset. And that is such an underused system for headsets. Like, this is big. I've lost so many dongles because I didn't have a place to store them. They store right in the headset with this. So when you're using Bluetooth on your Switch, on your PlayStation, wherever you might be using it, mobile, it's stored away. Amazing. I will not lose this. And that is a very big plus. This thing uses 50mm drivers. The sound is really good. Now, it says it can be used for anything, and it's true. It could. You can listen to music. You can watch movies. But the way the headset is built is that it's really pumping out the lows, and it's really pumping out the highs. The lows it's pumping out, so you get that really good sound, that deep bass sound when you hear an explosion or a gunshot or something like that. And then the highs are really exaggerated as well. That's how you can get like that hearing where you can, you can hear someone walking up your left side, your right side, whatever, left side, right side, whatever it might be. So they alter those for the purpose of gaming. It gives you a little bit of a weird experience It gives you a little bit of a weird experience when you're listening to music. In terms of the microphone quality, overall, it's really good. Now, there is AI technology for for noise cancellation, and it does work really well. The downside is if you are in a noisy room or a noisy environment, you might have a fan going, a window air conditioner, something like that. It makes your voice sound just a bit robotic. So once the AI technology starts pulling out that sound, it's also altering your voice a little bit because your voice is still making sound. And so ultimately, when you're using that feature, the sound coming out of your mic that everyone's going to hear is going to sound a little bit robotic. Not a huge problem, and if you're in a quiet room and you don't need to use the noise canceling technology, the microphone quality is very, very good. And the noise cancellation is very, very good as well. You're not going to get that background noise. It's just going to have that little bit of a robotic tinge to it. Overall, very impressed with this headset. It is comfortable. It's very flexible. Almost, and I think this might be an issue for some people, almost too flexible, where I think that this might not stay on your head as much as you might like it doesn't have enough clamping power. I personally like it because I have a big head, but it's very comfortable. Both ear cups are fine. I just prefer the fake leather ear cups to the breathable ones, but overall, a very, very good headset. Thank you so much for watching this review. If you want to pick up your own, you can go over to the Best Buy Canada webpage and find it there. There's also a full written review up on the Best Buy Canada blog. But thank you so much for watching, and until next time, we'll talk again real soon. Goodbye.